Okay, here's my build for Arduino mp3 player / FM radio, and I'm getting kind of stuck. So I've got pretty far, and I've got a lot of the programming done, but where I'm stuck at is this Arduino Pro Mini controls both of the DF player mini and the FM radio, which is a QN8006. The DF player mini has a 3-watt amplifier built in, and it's got speaker positive and negative out, and this does not have an amplifier built in, but I have this 3-watt amplifier over here, and I've got the speaker positive and negative going into that as well. So where I'm stuck at is, how do I connect the output from this and the output from my amplifier for my radio into the same speaker? It seems like whenever I do that, I get a lot of feedback, or it seems like maybe it's even shorting. Yeah, you hear that? And then it's going to restart. So I've tried using some opto isolators with very limited success. It kind of allowed me to connect everything. However, the sound quality was terrible, and I think somebody online was saying it's because of an analog signal being passed through the opto isolator versus a digital, and I don't know if that's true or not. But I need a solution that's going to be small enough to fit inside of a little case. So how the Arduino knows whether it's the DF player mini or the radio that's on is, it's got a pin that it's looking for, whether it's got a pin that's an input pin that's looking for a high or a low, and right now it's on the ground, so it's low, which means the MP3 player would be the thing that should work. So if I hit my play button here, you see the screen turn to play, and you'll hear sound coming out of the speaker. And that's because I've wired the speaker directly from the MP3 player basically over through the potentiometer and then into the speaker. And then the way it's supposed to work is, when this gets a high value, the pin that it's looking for, the digital read, gets a high value, now these buttons control the radio. So let me unplug the speakers for the MP3 player and plug the one in for the radio so you can hear the radio going. Let me see if I can actually hold the camera and do this at the same time. Ooh, that's loud. Okay, but I push a button here. That's kind of sound. Whoa, that was loud. And the button should give me some scan options here. There you go, there's a clear enough station.
Climbing these peaks with other people.
So, how do I have it to where I can hook all four, my 2 positives and 2 negatives for each device, into the same speaker? What kind of device or module is needed? Can I use an opto isolator or opto coupler? Is there anything else that I can use that's small, or something I can build that will help achieve this outside of just, say, a physical switch, like a actual slider switch or something like that, that basically cuts the circuit on and off? But that would be kind of tedious to do. Anyways, thoughts? Appreciate any help.